to you both.
So, Ida, what if we
Why
tried
did
some
T
new
sound
lessons
like that?
for my apprenticeship? Like, read ancient scrolls, or mix together potions, or...
Ah, that sounds like a bunch of magic school stuff.
Wait, is there a magic school here? Like, winding towers, cute uniforms, dark
Cute
plots that threaten
uniforms.
your life? Kind of magic
Dark
school?
plots that threaten your
Of
life.
course, they force you to learn magic the proper way. But magic isn't proper. It's wild and unpredictable, and that's why it's so beautiful. I didn't finish school, and look at me. Who wouldn't envy where I am right now?
I mean,
Hey, here's a lesson. A great witch is resourceful, like this.
Oh, hey, Gracie Slimeball.
Use your slime ball wisely, young witch.
You can do it. Even if you get a bad grade, it's not a reflection of you as a witch. And
she
like
sounds
the
a bit
rest
like
of us,
Ocellus
there are
from How I'm Calling
opportunities
You,
on
but I
this
know
trip.
it's not the
Now,
same
get to
voice.
school.
Oh,
Oh no! Oh, little friend, I'm sorry.
that's me anytime I step on a bug or a plant, actually, though. The difference is I just pray, then I walk away. Oh, that rhymed. Oh, her ears were shaking. Wait, we have to go back. Her little ears were like waiting. See? Hello.
Willow. Wow, you're so unnoticeable, I almost rolled into you.
Oh, it died.
This is why people call you half a witch, Willow.
It's like
It's
Hermione.
like someone... Aw, it's like mine. But much smaller and meaningless.
Oh my
Student,
gosh,
it's my
girl.
duty to tell you to keep at it. Even you could get a passing grade someday.
So
Abomination.
passive
no.
aggressive.
See you in class, superstar.
I didn't lose anything.
If you don't teach loose right, you will. And that's when I come
Lose,
in. Make her my
lose.
apprentice.
Ah, and what would you teach? How to get stuck in the arm of a sweater?
Hey, that only happened once. I teach her about demons, how to identify them, talk to them, raise an army with them, and tear apart the world.
After they tear you out of the sweater arm, right?
I think you're so smart.
No. I'm so sorry. It's okay. The thorns only went through a few layers of skin. So, circly. You're human. This is astounding. A human on the boiling isles. How'd you get here? What are you doing here? I'm sorry. I can't stay. I have to go disappoint my teacher. It was nice
Aw.
to meet you, human.
But I felt that though.
I know how we can both get what we want. Make me your abomination. I'll get you a good grade, and you can get me into magic school. It's fiendishly clever. What? I saw that girl's thing. It's just chunks of stuff that talks weird. I'm chunks of stuff, and I talk weird. That's true. Okay.
Oh
it's
no,
a
the giggle was cute.
Thanks. This is a great plan. Oops, abomination goo. Oh, hold on. Great plan.
Hey, at least she got on her.
Welcome.
More on her,
Parasite's
anyway.
full of
Oh, it's like the books from Harry Potter.
Did you know that humans nail barbed wire to their kids' teeth?
I just got my braces off.
Maybe to make them magnetic. Actually, it's for storing treats.
I wish that would work.
Okay,
It didn't.
Augustus, I'm gonna tell you something, but you have to be cool. I can be spool. I mean cool. Okay. Abomination, rise. Ta-da! I'm an abomination. Luz, that's not how abominations act. No, it couldn't be. He's the president of the Human Appreciation Society. Most witches wouldn't be able to recognize a human right away, but Augustus is an expert. Where are your gills? I've known Augustus back in the human world. We called him Gus. Gus? Nickname? Human nickname? Gus? Call me it. Wow, Gus. This is the best day of my life. I've got to get to spelling class. See you guys at lunch.
Spelling class.
All right, into the
Imagine it's literally just a conjuring the letters and arranging
Who's a
them.
good Prince Jr.? Who's the good guy?
Hey, Mr. Wiggles, you're not going to teach it anything doing that.
It's called positive reinforcement, Ida, and it works wonders.
It depends.
See? Now watch this. Prince Jr., attack Ida, knock over her drink, mess up her hair.
Oh no, please stop.
Your
Too many toenails in unexpected places. Fail.
That's
Pathetic.
mean.
The biggest abominations are all of you. If the next
I was waiting for
abomination is
that.
a failure, everyone gets extra homework for a month. Extra homework? Not again. And the next one to come up is...
Excuse me, sir, but I am ready to present my.
She's like, I get to save the class. Center of attention.
I may be your abomination, but you're my abomination.
Abomination! Splendid wordplay. A+. Yay! Wonderful work today, Willow. Looks like we have a new top student.
The way Amity was just walking past right as that happened.
Well, thank you, sir.
See, and this is why you don't do stuff like this in school, because it's like how you make people upset.
Last time I saw you, your abomination was mush. What did you do?
I, took your pep talk to heart, Amity.
I bet you did. I've got my eyes on you, half a witch. That badge is mine.
Dork.
Uh-oh. I think Amity is on to us.
Oh well.
Have you seen Luz?
I heard her tiny mouse feet walking close by. Or there might have been some mice.
Tiny
Anyway,
mouse
started
feet?
moving in that direction.
Are you trying to point or...
Look at the weather vane.
Oh.
But the only thing that way is that... No. No, 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 no!
Eat spiders.
Recite your runes.
Zis, Abra, Siamai.
No. Blind obedience.
Hexable system time. Let's get memorizing.
No! Pointless busy work. No! Why? School!
Honestly, I don't really have that much of an issue with
Do
school.
humans eat PB&Js?
At least it gives me something to do.
So long, please give me some.
I don't know, Gus. If Amity saw that.
I saw that.
How did you jump like that?
8. I know you're in there. You can't hide from me. What are you? What are you? I want answers.
Amity Blight.
Huh?
I suspected a twinge of jealousy, but this is just
Sad. Oh my god.
Look at it.
Report to Principal Bump's office.
But
Now.
Goodness.
I'm a sweaty little abomination. But now we don't have to worry about Amity. High five. It's not my hand. It's a human thing. Oh my. Oh man, what a rush.
Aw. I have a high five someone in a good minute, honestly.
Good afternoon, student.
That didn't sound good.
Rise. Abomination, lie.
Viral fame is a worthy pursuit. I would never eat you if I got the chance. Chemtrails are
Oh no, abomination.
Chemtrails.
Strange
So chemtrails are just a visible trail left in the sky by an aircraft and believed by some to consist of chemical or biological agents released as part of a covert operation. I somehow mixed up chemtrails and like the detox thing that was on social media. I have no idea how, but I did.
We're hoping
Oh!
for a closer look. Willow, I'll allow you the first cut.
They're getting away!
No, the intruder won't get far.
So like he knew she's not an abomination. He was just waiting for that to come clean. I'm assuming fear.
Bump was so impressed by my plant work, he's switching me to the plant magic track. Look.
Woo! Nice.
The most fearsome creature in the world, the king of demons.
Nice
Facing
accent.
his natural enemy, the ducky sock.
Where are you now, Ducky Sock? Our only weaknesses are purified water and passive-aggressive comments sometimes.
Aw.
Oh, you guys are sensitive.
Even demons have inner demons. The most powerful demon of all is the Snaggleback. He is a...
Bad boy.
Fierce, big shot.
Luce, pay attention. This information could save your life someday.
No.
Wait,
no,
how is
you're
she-
so paying attention?
What's keeping
Listen,
her
my
phone
attention face.
from dying and staying dead? Does she have a phone charger with her? And
Looks
even
like
if she
it's gonna
does,
rain.
how is she plugging it
I love the
in?
rain.
Hey, wait. Look, now we're boo-boo buddies.
Oh my gosh, I love you so much. A boiling rainstorm on the boiling Isles. The weather here is so fun.
Yeah, we don't have weather. We have plagues, tornadoes, shale hail, rainbows.
It's like a rainbow, but looking at it turns you inside out.
Aw,
Until
that makes
the
me
boiling rain
sad.
stops, no one is allowed outside tonight.
And if the rain doesn't get you, the Snaggleback will. They wander the rains, feeding on boiled tourists.
Well, whatever the case, this force field spell should protect the house from boiling rains and made-up demons.
Well, hurry it up with that force field! That rain is getting closer to my precious stucco!
Yeah, I
Stucco?
got it.
Have I told you how rad your fang looks today?
Whatever it is, no.
Hair is like, girl.
Witches' staffs have power embedded into them.
Gimme.
But before one is earned, every witch needs to know how to cast spells on their own. Now, tonight, I will show you how to create light.
Yawn. Who needs another boring spell lesson when you could be learning all the fun ways a demon could kill you? Look how teethy. Bite, bite.
Be quiet.
Aw.
I need to focus.
Aw.
Now, humans think magic
It's like
is
when you
made
have
of
like a
thinner,
younger
but
brother.
stupid.
Or at
Everything
least what I
comes from
imagined
something.
having a younger
Let
brother
me
would
ask
be
you
like.
quick. Where do you think magic comes from?
From the heart?
Actually, you're right.
The heart of the tie-in.
No, really. It comes from a sack of magic bile attached to a witch's heart.
Oh, gross. Can I keep that?
That's me. That's me. I'm like, ugh. Wait, can I have that
Bigger the
image?
cir-
I need to see you do the circle thingy again. I'll record it on my phone this time.
Oh, I like her phone
Well,
case.
you're on camera. One more spell won't kill you.
Fine. Now, you see, the spell circle is really key because... Oh, boy.
Well, looks like one more spell killed Ida.
Oh my gosh, my obsession with spells knocked out Ida. I'm a
Happens.
monster.
Boiling rains, remember?
Try! It'll be funny!
What if he is dead?
Anything. Bigness.
She's not dead.
Ha, nice.
Why does she have that?
My heart wasn't in it.
Oh, it's alive.
Who even needs a light spell when we have tons of lamps?
That was like on cue.
Hootie controls the house lights. He probably just fell asleep.
Hootie.
Oh my gosh, the Snaggleback! It feeds during the rains. It must have stumbled across our house and seen us inside.
What about the magical barrier?
Why did you break down our door and take loose? That's not cool, man. Bad Snaggleback.
I didn't do any of that stuff. I snuck in through a window just now.
Huh? Well then, what?
No!
Oh no! A twist!
A twist.
Demons with black eyes are usually sensitive to light. That's it! Light! Luce, use your human wonder rectangle.
I can't. My camera's all blasted.
Oh,
And
jeez.
what about that light spell?
Her phone looks like
Some-
my
I can't
computer.
draw circles in the air. There's a pattern in the spell circle.
What? Where?
It looks like this.
Wait, could King not see that? I'm wondering. Telling you, Chosen One.